welcome back to a new video. Today we are again in a rush. As I have told you in the last videos, I was importing my bike to Austria, and after all this bureaucracy, I finally did it. So now I have Austrian plate, but yesterday I read that I have to bring my old Italian plates and documents to an Italian agency, but the nearest one is 300 kilometers from home. So I tried this morning to call another agency here on the border in Tarvisio. They told me yes, we can do this, but we could deliver these documents only on Wednesday. Today is Tuesday, and we work only till 12. So now it's 11:15, and I have to reach this Tarvisio in 45 minutes and do everything. I'm gonna push a little bit, but not too much, because here there are radars everywhere. I had the whole morning to do this, but I forget. So now I need to run. I'm so stupid. No. Fucking shit. The funny thing is that in Austria, the format of the plates is different from Italians. And also in Italy, the plates follow the car. So one car has always the same plates in the whole life. In Austria, every owner changes the plates, has his own. So this means the plates are removable. So I have to install an adapter, and I did it yesterday in 10 minutes. And it wasn't really well mounted, so I hope that I don't lose the Austrian plates. So now I will lose Austrian plates, give back the Italian plates, and I come back without plates. Woo! Jail, I'm coming. Holy shit, there was the police. We are nearly the border, come on. We have 26 minutes